Hey, and welcome back to another episode of NFT Oddity. Our channel is definitely growing. We're gaining subscribers every day, up to 28 now, and we've got content rolling out on a daily basis. So, fresh content for you every single day, at least one video. That's what we're committed to. So, I want you guys to check out Crypto Demons, 3D Punks, Cunning Foxes, Rebel Seals, Sneaky Vampire Syndicate, Atom Bomb Squad, Creature World, Aggressive Cats, League of Sacred Devils, Crypto Pills, Koala Intelligence Agency, Meebits, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and Weird Whales, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and our intro video. But today we're going to talk about the Crypto Gem Alliance. Crypto Gem Alliance comes to us from Twitter. Crypto gems are the next evolutionary step for gemstones, guaranteeing rarity, ownership, and provenance. CryptoGemAlliance.com. Let's check out some of their latest tweets. The crypto gems have pre-sold over 2.3k gems. These gems are amazing. Wear interactive NFTs on your smartwatch. Mine more gems with gems. Make jewelry. Become a miner. 7.7k left only for September. Only for launch 15 September. So a couple weeks from now, looks like they're gonna launch here. $2.3k already pre-sold, so they must have had some kind of insider pre-sale. These NFTs are interactive. You can mine more gems with gems, and you can make jewelry. Kind of the same thing, but cool picture with a princess cut gem. Crypto gems come in different sizes from 1 to 100 carats. Which diamond will you get? Check them out. So let's go ahead and check out their website. Main sale soon. Join the gemstone revolution. We can randomize the logo here too. Oh, there we go. That's a cool one. Customize. All kinds of rare gems for you. And this scrolls in and out so you can see it from far away or real close if you want. The future of gemstones, mining, chemistry, minting. Watch the video and find out how crypto gems are the next evolutionary step for precious stones. So we're not going to watch the video because of possible copyright issues, but if you guys want to go ahead and go to the website, it's CryptoGemAlliance.com. There's a link. If you click on this diamond and play button here, it'll play the video for you. Very cool video, very informative. Powered by Ethereum, these artistic representations of gemstones are scarce. Using a DAO proof-of-stake model, CGA puts minting in the hands of stone owners in a fair and predefined way. Coming soon, they're going to be 0.08 ETH each. Over $600,000 already pre-sold on a private pre-sale. The public main sale is coming soon. You can put your email in to get notified. We've already done that. NFToddity@gmail. Let me know in the comments section if you like gems. I know there's a lot of people that like those Swarovski crystals, so this could be kind of the next evolution in that. From diamonds to emeralds, cushions to heart shapes, crypto gems can weigh anywhere from a single carat to extremely rare 100 carats. Every gem is imperfectly unique. Purity scratches distortions. Each crypto gem is engineered with complex geometrical designs and formulas to contain signature defects, just like natural gemstones. Each of these three signature has a randomly generated value that is scored for quality from A to C. So there's a quality aspect to the gems as well when you mint them. Become a miner. Ownership of the crypto gems allows you to mint more stones regularly. The number of stones you are eligible to mint is proportional to the number of carats in your possession. The total supply is limited and decreasing over time. And they actually have a white paper about this, which we're going to check out in a minute. Crypto gems are playable and interactive. Computer, smartwatch, or smartphone. You can touch and play. Enjoy your crypto gems on OpenSea and also play with them on your 3D on your computer, smartphone, and smartwatch. So you can show off your gems to other people. Part of being a gem owner is being able to display them. Of course, people will naturally look on OpenSea as well. Join the Alliance. Pioneers, explorers, miners. Members of the Crypto Gem Alliance are allowed to promote other NFT or crypto projects to be promoted to the Alliance. The project must include benefits to the community such as airdrops, discounts, or new utility. First CGA airdrop, CGA NFT bills. NFTs designed by you. CGA bills are minted from your own NFTs to create one unique artworks generated by you. As pre-sale gems will be eligible for 2 free bills, and main sale gems will be for 1 free bill. A limited quantity of bills will be sold to non-CGA members. So there's a concept of bills as well. And they have a roadmap. Private pre-sale with $600,000 sold. 2,341 pre-sale gems have already been minted. Planned for the 15th of September. The launch batch will be run for 72 hours only. The earlier you buy, the higher chance of getting a bigger crypto you will get bigger crypto gems. Once your NFT crypto gem is revealed, you get your interactive file available on OpenSea. Crypto gems owners will be able to register their email and get notified when they can mine more gems. So you're going to want to get in as early as possible on the 15th of September for these crypto gems. Let's check out the white paper. Introduction. For centuries, natural gemstones have been a sign of wealth, of power, wealth, and status. Their desirability stem from their intrinsic beauty and scarcity. However, as is the case with many extracted minerals, gem mining, extraction, and processing has come at a high human and environmental cost. More recently, lab-grown diamonds have increased in popularity. Nevertheless, much like their natural cousins, these lab-grown stones also require substantial energy in their creation process. Furthermore, as lab-grown diamonds can be created on demand and en masse, they are also not considered as scarce or rare. The Crypto Gem Alliance, hereafter referred to as CGA, NFT gems have many of the same characteristics of real gems and are modeled on several aspects of real-world precious stones. CGA crypto gems are ERC21 compatible. They can be mined and are finite and scarce. They vary in size, shape, color, and contain several small imperfections such as scratches, distortions, and varying purity levels, all of which make these NFT gems fairly unique. These blockchain gems also overcome several of the shortcomings of physical stones. CGA NFT gems can be staked by their owners, who can then mint new stones. They are also more environmentally friendly as they run on Ethereum. Unlike real gems that are often fraught with provenance issues, these blockchain gems, on the other hand, are traceable and verifiable. So that's the intro for the white paper. Please go check it out. Let's head back over to Twitter and see if we can see some more of these gems, because I know you guys like to see the pictures. Here we go. Which one will you get? There's red, green, yellow. There's even like a black color, 18 different colors. There's the Asher, baguette, oval, pear, cushion, emerald, princess, radiant, heart, marquee, round, trillion. So the radiant is the rarest one, it looks like, at 2.5%. And then we have the marquee and heart coming in at 5% along with the trillion. The pear is also 5%. So each one, the highest one is a round at 12.5%. So if you get a round, then it's not going to be as rare as the other ones. Oh, I'm sorry. Cushion is 15%. There's going to be a lot of cushions and rounds out there. He sold over 2.3K. Look, you can check it out on your smartwatch. There's the heart shape. Got lots of Infinity Stone memes going on. In the revolution. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Remember to give a like and subscribe. Check us out on social media. We're on Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, email, NFT Oddity on all the platforms. Rareable and super rare. Alright, thanks, and we'll talk again soon.